Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and warm greetings to all. My name is Tia Indriati, which student ID 22050300056 from class PBE 6B. Today, I would like to present my research proposal entitled Improving Students' Motivation in Learning English Using Movie Clips, which is a classroom action research. In this presentation, I will explain the background of the study, the research problems, objective, significance of the study, and the methodology I will use. Without further ado, let's begin the presentation. Chapter 1, Background of the Study. English is essential for students to face globalization, but many junior high school students lack motivation due to traditional teaching methods. To enhance engagement, innovative strategies like using movie clips are needed. Movie clips provide authentic visual and contextual learning experience that improve vocabulary, pronunciation, and comprehension. Studies Shahrozi et al. 2019, Panjaitan and Hasibuan 2022 support that audiovisual media increases students' interest and understanding. Therefore, this research focuses on using movie clips to boost English learning motivation among 8th grade students at SMP Al Maksum Stabak. Next, problem identification. First, low student enthusiasm in English class. Many students show little interest or motivation in learning English, likely due to monotonous or conventional teaching methods that fail to engage them. Second, learning media isn't interactive. The teaching materials are often passive, textbooks or lectures only, providing limited opportunities for students to actively participate or interact. Third, material are difficult to understand without real-life context. Students struggle to understand English lessons because the material are presented in abstract ways without being connected to a real-life situation that they can relate to. Conclusions. These problems are the foundation for using movie clips as a solution in this research. Movie clips of the interactive and engaging media visual and auditory stimulation, real-life context for language use. These features can help enhance students' motivation and understanding in learning English. Next, research question. Main question: how can the use of movie clips improve students' motivation in learning English in class 8-2 of SMP Al Maksum Stabat? Explanation. This research question aims to explore whether integrating movie clips into English lesson can help boost students' motivation. It focuses on how audiovisual media like movie clips affects student interest, whether this method can create more engaging learning environment, its impact specifically on Class 8-2 at SMP Al Maksum Stabat. Next, research objective. To find out to what extent the use of movie clips can improve students' motivation in learning English specifically in Class 8-2 at SMP Al Maksum Stabat. Purpose of the study: to evaluate the impact of using movie clips in the classroom, to measure improvements in student motivation, to provide insisting for more engaging and effective English teach methods. Next, significance of the study. The study offers both theoretical and practical significance in the field of English language education, particularly in enhancing students' motivation to audiovisual media such as movie clips. First, theoretical significance. Theori- Theoretical, this research contributes to the development of knowledge regarding the use of audiovisual-based learning media. It supports the idea that modern media-rich instruction, like using movie clips, can be an effective tool in engaging students and fostering their interest in learning English. This study validates previous findings and provides new evidence about how movie clips can serve as a bridge between textbook context and real-life communication, enhancing both linguistics and cultural understanding. Second, practical significance. This research has several practical benefits for different stakeholders. For teachers, it offers a creative and alternative teaching method that can make learning more dynamic and relatable. Teachers can use movie clips to introduce context, emotion, and real conversational English into the classroom. For students, it helps students feel more engaged and motivated in the learning process. Through movie clips, students experience fun and real-world application of the language, which can boost their confidence and interest in learning English. For others, research. The study can serve as a reference and inspiration for future research and innovative teaching methods, especially those involving multimedia tools or digital context in language education. Theoretical review. First, motivation in language learning. Motivation is a crucial element in the success of learning a language. It drives students to engage, perceive, and achieve goals in language acquisition. Um, Intrinsic motivation comes from within the learner, such as curiosity, interest in the language, or personal goals. Extrinsic motivation comes from external factors like exams, parental expectations, or rewards. Second, movie clips as audiovisual media. Uh, Movie clips provide authentic, real-life context for learners to experience English as it is natural use. They also offer visual support for better comprehension, cultural exposure to the way English is used in different social situations. Next, engaging context that holds students' attention. Third, benefits for language skills. Using movie clips can help improve vocabulary. Students learn new words to repeated exposure and context. Pronunciation. They hear natural speech, accents, and intonation. Engagement. The entertaining nature of films boosts motivation and focus. 4. Classroom action research or CAR. This research applies the CAR model by Kemis and MC Taggart. It consists of planning, designing, designing lesson using movie clips, action, implementing the plan in the classroom, observation, monitoring students' reactions and participation, reflection, analyzing results to improve the next cycle. CAR is practical and teacher-centered. I mean to continuously improve teaching practices based on real classroom data. Previous related studies. This section provides a brief review of 3 relevant studies that support the use of audiovisual media, especially movie clips, in English language learning. Each study highlights how media-based learning can positively affect students' motivation, participation, and speaking skill. First, Shahrozi et al. 2019. Research Type Classroom Action Research. Location SMP Negeri 14 Surakarta. Key findings: movie clips were successfully used to increase studies active participation and understanding of English lessons. Students showed more enthusiasm and better engagement during the learning process. Second, Mingrom et al. 2023. Fokus Cooperative Instructional Videos. Location SMA 5 Tuban. Key findings: students became more motivated and confident in speaking English. The use of videos created more enjoyable and collaborative learning atmosphere. Third, Salsabila et al. 2021. Focus short films in English learning. Location SMK Negeri 1 Jambi. Key findings: short films enhance students' speaking performance. The media also increase students' interest and engagement in learning English. Conclusions: these studies support the idea that audiovisual materials, whether in the form of movie clips, instructional videos, or short films, can boost students' motivation, participation, and speaking abilities. They serve as a foundation and justification for conducting your own research. Research methodology. First, research location and time. Location: the research is conducted at SMP Al Maksum Stabat, located on Jalan Jenderal Sudirman, Perdamaian Stabat, Langkat, North Sumatra, Indonesia. Time: the study takes place during the event semester of the 2024 and 2025 academic year, specifically from February to April 2025. This timeframe is chosen to allow complete cycles of action research or CAR, ensuring enough time for planning, implementation, observation, and reflection. Second, research subject. The subject of this research in the students of class 8-2 at SMP Al Maktoum Sahabat. This class consists of 34 students, and the entire class is selected the research sample. The sampling technique is total sampling because the population size is Second, research subject. Second, research subject. The subject of this research in the student of class 8-2 at SMP Al Masum Stabat. This class consists of 34 students, and the entire class is selected as the research sample. The sampling technique is total sampling because the population size is limited and eligible for action research. This group is chosen based on their suitability, the topic, their current level of English, of the potential benefit of movie clips in their learning process. Next, research design. This research, this the Next, research design. This research applies the chemist and MC Taggart 1988. Kayak mana nyebutin? 1000 and banyak kali cowok 1900 and and 88. Okay. Research design. This research applies the chemist and MC Taggart 1988 model of classroom action research, or CAR. This model is chosen because it is practical, flexible, and suitable for solving real classroom problems and in a structured and reflective way. CAR cycle components. First, planning. The researcher prepares a teaching plan that integrates movie clips to enhance students' motivation. Materials, media, and instruments like questionnaires and observation sheets are also prepared. Second, action. The teaching strategy is implemented in the classroom. Movie clips are used as part of the learning activities during the English lessons. Third, observation. The researcher observes the students' response, behavior, participation, and engagement. Data are collected through observation sheets, questionnaires, and test results. For reflection, the researcher reflects on the data and results from the first cycle. Strengths and weaknesses are analyzed to improve the next cycle. Cycle repetition. The process is conducted in two cycles to ensure improvement and accuracy. After each, reflection and adjustment are made to optimize learning and students' motivation in the following cycle. Next, data collection. Techniques explanation to measure the effectiveness of using movie clips in improving students' motivation to learn English. Various data collection methods are applied. Each technique is designed to gather specific and relevant information from different perspectives. First, motivation questionnaire. This instrument uses a Likert scale to assess students' level of interest, enjoyment, and motivation toward English learning. It captures students' attitudes before and after. The intervention with movie clips helps to quantify the change in motivation across the cycle. Second, speaking test. Designed to measure students' speaking skills, including fluency, vocabulary use, pronunciation, comprehension. This test gives insight into whether increased motivation leads to better performance in spoken English. Third, observation. Conducted during teaching and learning sessions, the researcher observes and records students, participants' engagement, and behavior change in class. Observation sheets are used to ensure consistent and objective recording. For interview, if needed, provides qualitative data on students' personal experience and perceptions about learning with movie clips. allows deeper understanding of what students enjoy or struggle with during the process. 5. Creativity rubric used to evaluate students' originality, confidence, and performance during speaking tests or projects. Encourage creative expressions while using the English language in realistic contexts. That concludes my presentation on the research proposal entitled Improving Students' Motivation in Learning English Using Movie Clips. I hope this research and contribute positively to, to enhancing students' motivation in learning English, especially at the junior high school level. Thank you for your kind attention. The Dear lecturers and fellow students, I truly welcome any questions, suggestions, or feedback to help improve this study. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.